A guitar strap is an essential piece of gear if you want to play guitar standing up. Today I'm going to show you how to fit and adjust a guitar strap and how to make sure it won't fall off when you're playing. Guitar straps come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, but most follow the same design. 2 buttonholes to attach it to the guitar and a buckle for adjusting the length. Now if your guitar has lace at one end that looks a bit like a shoelace, then that's for an acoustic guitar. I really don't recommend using it with an electric guitar because it might not be able to hold the weight of your guitar, and if your guitar falls, it could get damaged or break. To attach your strap to the guitar, take one end and slide the hole over the strap button on your guitar. Then take the other end and do the same. Make sure there's no twists in the strap, otherwise it'll be uncomfortable. I also recommend attaching the half that has the buckle on it towards the bottom of the guitar, because that way when you're playing, the buckle will be behind you and you won't be able to see it, and it just looks better. To adjust the length of your strap, all you have to do is slide the buckle. To make your strap longer, feed it towards this side that has the 2 loops, so we're pulling it down. And to make it shorter, feed it away from these 2 loops, so we're moving it that way. Now with straps like this that are a little bit plushy, you might have to bunch it up first and feed it through and then pull it. Take a little bit of extra work, but it's not too hard. Now, if your strap looks like this with a bit of a buckle on it, all you need to do is undo the buckle, pull the strap out, and just move it to whichever rung you want it to be on. So the closer it is towards the end of the strap, the lower your guitar will be, and the closer it is towards the middle, the higher your guitar will be. Make sure to feed it through the rung that you want, then pull it through the rung next to it. Then you want to pull it through the buckle and make sure to pull it tight so that all the material is sat flat, otherwise it will be a bit uncomfortable. Likewise, if you have one with an actual buckle like this one, it works exactly the same. Undo the buckle and then moving it towards the end of the strap will make it longer, moving it towards the middle will make it shorter. Every person will have their own preference as to how high their guitar needs to be when they're playing. But generally speaking, the higher up it is, the easier it is to play. So just bear that in mind. Now, if your strap's holes are too big, like they've worn down over time, or you move a lot with your guitar, then the strap can actually come off while you're playing. So I always recommend using strap locks. What they do is they just hold your strap onto your guitar, so it prevents it from slipping off accidentally. The best part is, these rubber style ones are really cheap, but really effective. I've linked them down in the description for you. But personally, I prefer these metal style strap locks, as it makes it easier to take it on or off depending on whether I'm standing or sitting down. Again, I'll link those down below. But whichever one you choose, they both work in the same way. They'll both keep your strap on your guitar and keep your guitar safe. And that's it! Let me know how you get on in the comments down below and subscribe for more guitar tips. Thank you.